Finding the courage to change, free to be imperfect. Perfectionism is the ultimate excuse for giving up. This need to be perfect, even as I try to learn new things, has created a lot of stress in my life. I'm reluctant to try new things because I know there's going to be a learning curve. I'm going to make mistakes. I'm going to suffer some failures. I'm going to look foolish. I'm going to be uncertain. If I can't effortlessly be good at something, there's no point in trying. This need to be perfect is rooted in my habit of people-pleasing. I was praised for having a little natural talent. When those skills or talents fell short, I would work hard and then become burnt out. My best efforts never felt good enough. Finally, I found an activity that I loved to do. In the beginning, my perfectionism was horribly painful. I almost couldn't bear the feeling of not being good enough. A correction from my teacher would cause me to burst into tears. Wisely, she would just walk away and let me process my feeling of failure. I kept coming back. Slowly, I realized that my harsh perfectionism was silly. No one around me was perfect. Why did I demand that of myself? One day, I was able to shrug and say, mistakes are how I learn. The feeling of freedom was exhilarating. Suddenly, my ability to learn accelerated. Soon, my friends were saying, "This is so easy for you." When I gave myself permission to be imperfect, everything changed.